Hello guys, again my name is Andrew of course, and today we've got another unboxing, reviewing and testing of this Livarnolux LED torch. You already can see we've got three included 3A batteries, adjustable sliding focus, 3 years warranty from bleeding, including the batteries. Max is 50 meters and it can work about minus 20 degrees, perfect for camping, DIY and around the home. More specs we've got from the other side. We have 3 modes: max, brightness, economy and SOS mode, and we've got 1 watt of output LED. Approximately is 50 lumen the LED brightness, and we've got a lifespan of about 50,000 hours. It can operate for 7 hours in maximum and 12 hours in economy. Okay, let's open it to see what we have inside. Inside, of course, we've got some manual. If you want to read it, is your choice. The torch. We have a case. You can put it to your belt. Like that. The included batteries. To install the batteries, just take that out. There's a case inside for putting the batteries. And you already can see is on. We've got included inside, there is a rubber. And if I have correctly seen, IP44 here. And there is the adjustable sliding focus. And I will test it, of course, to see how it works at the night. And there we are, we've got the bright beam, the low beam, and the SOS beam. Again, the bright, this is the focusing brightness, and let's open the light and you can see you can light up all the wall. Again, this is the low beam, and the SOS beam is lighting all the wall. Bright beam, low beam, and SOS beam. Well guys, that was all about this LED Livarnolux. I think it's a great flashlight. You can use it at your home. It costs only €5 for camping, wherever it's suitable for you. And with all that guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my videos, your choice. Share this video, you never know who may need it. And definitely hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.